Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I've been here, but here we are, close to the end of 2021, and I just thought I will come to you guys with a unboxing video. It's been a difficult year for me. I'm sure it has been a difficult year for other people as well. If it has been a great year for you, I am so happy for you. And I pray that 2022 is going to be an even better year for all of us. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanyu and I create fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. That's kind of like, I kind of just love a bit of everything, as long as there is a bit of enjoyment, there is a bit of luxury, there's a bit of that simple life too. I'm all about that. So a little backstory. I was never into luxury items for the longest time, and to probably the last year and this year, that one day honestly I was just like, why not? I used to love having so many things, you know, so many bags, so many clothes, so many shoes, and as I've grown up and matured, I find myself actually just wearing the same pair of shoes, as long as it's, you know, like it's comfortable and nice, the same, you know, outfit, the same bag. And so I basically thought to myself, you know, maybe instead of buying 5 bags, I could buy a really good quality bag and just enjoy that. And so enough rambling. I don't know about you, but if you are a black person, a lot of people, I've heard a lot of people's experiences where they go to some of these luxury shops, like these designer shops, and they have the worst experiences where they are treated with a little bit of you know, you don't belong here type of thing, like you can't afford it type of thing. And so I had those voices in my head for the longest time that, oh, you know, like I don't want to embarrass myself, so I don't want to go into any of these, you know, designer stores, because they're probably going to do the same for me. But I must say I had a very different experience. I felt like I was treated like everybody else that was in the shop, and I didn't actually dress up really. I just wore what I felt comfortable, what I would wear any other time, and I walked in and I said, this is the kind of bag that I'm interested in, and I was given a sales person that would look after me. And yeah, like it was actually a really good experience. And I went to the Louis Vuitton store here in Brisbane, and yeah, like I'm thankful that I had a good experience. I know that it's not always going to be the same, but I was pleasantly surprised because I had heard a lot of bad stories about bad experiences. So anyway, time to unbox this baby. So basically, this is the bag, and that's what it looks like. Look at that. We are unboxing this together. Oh my goodness. Ta-da! And it's one of those where you just pull out, and that's what it looks like. It's a really small bag, but I've realized that big bags actually, I just don't end up using them, because I have got the Pochette Matisse monogram, and I just find that it's too big, and I haven't worn it since I got it. I haven't worn it, so I was like, yeah, no, I'm just gonna go for a much smaller bag. So that's what it looks like there. And that's what it is. So that is the Louis Vuitton Felicie in the monogram. Okay, so there's so many ways obviously to wear it. I'll just come a little bit closer so you can see. Okay, so you can open it right there. And the inside, this is I think like a fuchsia pink color. And then there is two inserts. One is just like a wallet with a zipper, right? And then the other one is just a normal wallet, right? This is the strap. It's a golden chain strap, and it is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And that's what it looks like on the inside. I don't know if you can see. There we go. And there's just so there's like one main compartment in there, and then there's like a little side pocket in there. And so obviously you can use just one of them at a time, one of the wallets at a time. So obviously if you're going if you want to wear it as a clutch, you can just do something like that, right? And then if you want to wear it as a crossbody, and voila. That's what it looks like. And then I've seen people obviously try to make this shorter, and I will see if I can actually try to make it shorter and show you guys. Or maybe that will be another video, like, you know, once I wear it, I'll show you guys actually how I wear it in another video, and how I style it, and maybe make it shorter, different ways to make it shorter. And yeah, that's that. So the Louis Vuitton Felicie and the monogram, it's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So obviously it also comes in the leather, different colors in leather, and absolutely love it. And I just cannot wait to wear it. The other thing that I got from them was they just gave me a couple of samples of their perfumes, and you know I am loving perfumes so much at the moment. I cannot say the names of these perfumes because they're in French, and I never learned any French. So but anyway, so that's it. That is my unboxing. Comment down below what you guys think about luxury goods, what you think about this bag, what do you think about Louis Vuitton. Are you into it? Are you not? What's your favorite luxury brand? And what's your favorite brand, or like bag brand, that is not necessarily categorized as luxury? You know, please share, comment down below. I'd love to hear it all. But yeah, this is me, and you're definitely going to be seeing this a lot in the new year as I create more content, and I can't wait to wear it. But other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you, appreciate your time. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you have not, and if you have, I'm so grateful to you. Thank you very, very much. But yeah, other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video.